Sakpase, my name is Edgy, and in today's video, I want to talk about the 6 common documents that you must know as a beginner loan signing agent. When you're a loan signing agent and you're doing loan documents, sometimes there's like 100 to 150 pages, sometimes even more than that. So it's important to kind of know the common documents. I did a video regarding the critical documents that you must know. A lot of people love the video. There's way more than 6 common documents, but today I just want to focus on 6. And if you guys enjoyed the video and you guys want to learn more about it, then I will make another video focusing on the other common type of documents. Again, before I start, I learned everything from taking courses and training. Since I did a lot of training regarding loan signing, I just want to share what I know, so hopefully it can help you. There are a lot of common documents like I stated, but I'm going to group them in categories so you can have a better understanding of what each of them is. These first common documents are documents that are known to be notarized. So first you have occupancy affidavit, signature / affidavit aka, limited power of attorney, compliance agreement, and notarial evidence form. So these sets of documents are the borrower's disclosures. The first one is the Uniform Residential Loan Application, also known as the 1003, HUD/VA Addendum to Uniform Residential Loan Application, USA Patriot Act Customer Identification Verification, Borrower's Certification Authorization, iOS 45060, and the iOS W9. The other set of documents that we're going to talk about are the lender's disclosures. The first one is the servicing disclosure statement, notice of transfer of servicing rights, impound authorization and first letter, and the good faith estimate. Now let's go into the last set of documents, which are the instructions from the lender to the closing agent. Now the first one is the general closing instructions, the specific closing instructions, and the tax information sheet. These are all the common type of documents that you should know, but we're not going to talk about all of them. Like I said, we're going to focus on a certain set of common documents. Today we're going to focus on the borrower's disclosures. Now if you took the NNA course, you should be very familiar with what I'm saying, because this is the exact order that they went over everything. So the first type of document that I want to focus on is called the Uniform Residential Loan Application. Sometimes whoever that hire you, they call it the 1003 or the 1003. Uniform Residential Loan Application, also known as the Fannie Mae Form 1003 or just a 1003 form, is a standard form that contains all the information necessary for a lender to establish the risk profile of a borrower. Now, of course, we're not gonna say that because I know I'm not. If you want to present this document, I would just basically say, this is your final type version of your loan application, and it contains all your personal information. So make sure that your social security number is correct. And that's basically it. I wasn't gonna go into any other stuff. Just tell them that this is their loan application and make sure that they double check that their social security number is correct. Now the next common document that I want to get into is called the HUD/VA Addendum to Uniform Residential Loan Application. This is a common addendum to the Uniform Residential Loan Application that may appear in a loan package for both of the Department of Veteran Affairs and the Department of Housing and Urban Development Loans. If I wanted to present this application, I would just say this is a supplement to your loan application, and the reason why it's included is because your loan is a VA or a FHA loan. So here's an example of how it looks. Now the next one I want to go into is the USA Patriot Act Customer Identification Verification. This form verifies identity of the borrower and should read exactly as their state or federal issued ID reads. To present this form, just say that this form is just to verify your identity, and that's where you will have the identification and you will fill out everything. In the form, there's going to be a section that says title. Make sure to put signing agent as your title. The next document is called the Borrower's Certification Authorization. The Certification and Authorization form is a document that you've required to sign to certify that all information you provided during the application process is true and correct. Now, to present this document is very simple. So you're just gonna present this document and you're gonna state that this document is just to certify that all your information is correct. Next document is called IRS 45060. Form 45060 requests for a transcript of tax return. This form authorizes the lender to obtain transcripts of tax returns. So to present this document, you're just going to state that this document is used to request a copy of your tax transcript. The next document is the IRS Form W-9. This form verifies the borrower's social security number. When you present this form, just be very straightforward. This document is pretty thick, but don't worry. This document is just used to verify your social security number. And that is it. These are the 6 common documents that you must know. Like I stated earlier in the video, there are more common documents, and let me know if you guys like these style of videos. I don't do a lot of loan signing type videos because that's not the service that I focus on. But if you guys like it and you guys like the style of how I teach it, then let me know in the comment section. So the goal is to always simplify everything. All you have to do is just give a brief description and then point. If you enjoyed this video and you learned a lot, make sure to check out the other video I did regarding the 6 critical documents that you have to know. Actually, that video is more important than this one because it talks about the critical documents. So make sure to check that out if you haven't seen it. I will link that video under the description below. Thank you all for watching. My name is Edgy, and I'm out.